Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to make these earrings. So first we'll need a white thread, some beads, earring hooks and the jump rings, and also some white beads. We'll start by putting a white bead, then we'll put a big one. Then I'm putting it like a lace. You have to make 6 for each earring. This is the second one I am making. You have to repeat the same for all the 12. So I have made 12 of them. Now I'll combine them. You have to put all the strings together and you have to twist it. Then you have to take the jump ring and tie a knot to it. To be secure, tie 2 knots. Then cut the extra thread. Do the same for the second one. Open the jump ring and put a earring hook in it. Your earrings are ready. Now you can wear them, and these are very colorful earrings. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel.